not too much today. Thank you very much. Well, Papa has also learned a line of the birthday song by any chance today, 21st of July. Anyone celebrating your birthday? Let's start off with the people on my right. This section. Anyone celebrating your birthday today? No? No one? Yes, you young lady and young man. Okay, stay where you are. Over there? Oh, that young man right up there in grey. Okay. 3 of them here. Okay, in the middle section. Anyone celebrating your birthday? Yes, you young lady and man. Yes, you're in blue. 5 of you all together right there. And over here, anyone celebrating your birthday? Only one. There you are. You are being pointed out, young man. Thank you very much. Okay, this song, a line of the birthday song, is for you guys. Ready, Papa? Very fast and 2 soft. Let's do this together. Ready? Happy birthday to you. On your own. Happy birthday to you. Last one. On your own. Last one. Ready? No? One last one. A round of applause there for Pao Pao, everyone, and a happy birthday for for those of you who are celebrating it today. And the rest of you, something very nice from Pao Pao. Ready, Pao Pao?
I love you. I love you. I love you.
We all love you too, Pao Pao. And last but not least, before he goes back, what I'm gonna say?
Bye-bye.
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 Look, he's waving.
Bye-bye.
There you go. Round of applause for Pao Pao, everyone. Thank you very much. Well, after seeing Pao Pao perform, you might be tempted to get one as a pet. But do keep in mind that these birds are very hard to keep. They require lots of time, attention, and commitment. So do think of that if you want to purchase one as a pet. But the next 2 birds coming out are 2 different species of hornbills who are going to show you their nesting behaviors in the wild. Pepper, our top 1 reef hornbill, will be joining me on stage. And here she comes over on my left. Yeah. Here she is. Well, this is not Pepper. Well, this is Harriet. Harriet is a female bar pouch reef hornbill. Well, these birds can be found in Asia. When females want to nest, they would look for cavities in trees. If you look at that heart, you can see a nest box. Well, that nest box is similar to the nest boxes we give our hornbills here in the bird park. Well, I'll be walking up this aisle and very close to you. I need your cooperation. Please remain seated. And when the birds are flying, do not try to reach out and touch the bird. This is for your safety and safety of the birds. Well, Harriet, you need to check out the nest over on the other side. Ready? Still checking the people around you. Aha, and off she goes. Harriet, the nest is to your right a little bit. Can you hop to your right a bit? Harriet? Yes. Still checking the surrounding of the nest box. Ah, there she goes. What she's doing right now, she's checking the interior of the nest. If she likes it, she will hop right in. But Harriet, oh, that was fast. In she goes. Once inside, the female will seal the nest using regurgitated food, soil, and even her own droppings to make the entrance of the nest smaller, just enough for her beak to stick out. Well, Harriet, if you like the nest box, you can seal it now. That was fast. Harriet, are you still in there? Harriet? Oh, there she is. Well, with that, let's welcome Alfred. Everyone look up there, and here comes Alfred. Well, Alfred here is a great pied hornbill, and a male great pied hornbill that is. Well, even though these 2 birds are from 2 different species of hornbills, but their nesting behaviors in the wild are very similar. Well, right here in the bird park, we are very successful in breeding oriental pied hornbills using nest boxes like this. And thanks to your contribution for our conservation fund, we have released some of these birds back into nature reserves here in Singapore and also right here in the bird park. So if you're walking around, do keep your eyes open. If you're lucky enough, you'll get to see some of these birds free flying. Well, it's time for Alfred to go back home right now. Down to Eileen. Oops. He missed you. One more time. There you go. Alfred, everyone. Nice music, isn't it? Well, now comes the time to simply enjoy the bird's flight. If you want to volunteer, raise your hands and get the trainer's attention who are coming out right now. Well, on my right, we're gonna have Kylie, in the middle, Mitra, and on my left, we have Fazura. Well, look at the strong wings as they fly past you. This helps them swoop through branches and trees in the rainforest of South America. Well, but unfortunately, their wild friends are losing their homes at a rate of 1 football field per day due to human development. We can help these colorful macaws by simply using less of everything. In fact, it's even better if we can all reuse our things, buy second-hand or recycle products. This will certainly reduce the making of new products during more of this bird's habitat. It looks like all volunteers are ready. Hold on, last guys are sitting right there. We need your cooperation. Please remain seated and off goes Patina. Off goes Vega. There you go. Beautiful flight by Patina and Vega, everyone. Thank you. But with powerful wing flaps, long tail, and sharp eyesight, this allows these birds to remain agile and maneuverable in flight. Next, these two birds are going to fly from two different ends of the stage and will try to cross each other's flight path in that center hook. Well, let's see if these two birds can do it. Well, looks like all the volunteers are ready. Patina, are you ready? Ready, and go. Yes! First time right. Thank you, Patina and Lane. Well, finally we have last flight for Vega right here. Mitra, we need the hook, no hook, a bag. You mean Vega gonna fly through that bag? No, something is at that bag. Okay, let's see what's in that bag. Wow, look at that, a very small hook. Mitra, Vega through that hook. She's very sure. She is very sure. Well, macaws have streamlined bodies and they have this ability to fly through dense vegetation in the rainforest of South America to escape from potential dangers and predators. Well, looks like all the volunteers are ready. Mitra, it's to this side, Mitra. To his side, not to in front of him. Thank you very much. To his side, on his side. Thank you very much. It should be straightened out. Thank you very much. Ready? Everyone, silence please. Vega here needs to concentrate. Ready, Vega? Ready? Off he goes. And he... Sir, excuse me, for the center volunteer, you have to look in front and smile. So there are people who are taking a photograph on this side. So you just look in front and smile. Ready? Let's try this one more time. Everyone, silence please. Ready, Vega? One more time. Concentrate. Good. Yes! Second time. Perfect drop. Fly there by Vega. Round of applause for Vega, everyone. Thank you. Well, it's time for him to go back home. Back to Lake. Thank you. Well, a parrot's beak can be very powerful in breaking hard nuts, but when required, they can be very gentle too. To demonstrate that, I have a coupon here, and I need a volunteer who is not afraid of birds. Anyone not afraid of birds? Okay, you young lady, stay where you are. Can you go up a few steps higher? Yes, go for some more. Go higher. Thank you very much. One more step. Go higher. Thank you very much. Okay, I am not going to send this coupon up to you. A bird will fly up to you. Place this coupon on your palm. What you have to do is just grab hold of the coupon. Okay? But first, put up your hand. Yes, open your palm. Whatever happens, don't move. Okay? Thank you. Let's welcome Sassy. Okay, stay where you are. Sassy, see the young lady over there? Can you pass this coupon to her? Yes. Place the coupon, hold the coupon, and Sassy, you fly back down to me. Well, young lady, open that coupon. It's still in one piece. Yes, with that coupon, you're entitled to a free cold drink up at the terrace clause. 1 minute walk away from your foods amphitheater. Thank you very much. One more volunteer. Wow, a lot more hands now. Great. Now, I don't have anything to give away. I need a volunteer who can show me money. A 2 Singapore dollar note will do. Anyone? No one brought money to the bird park. Yes, you young men. How much is that? $2. Can you stand on your bench? Or the bench in front of you will do. Yes, can you stand on your bench? There you go. Okay, fold the money into half. Into another half. Okay, hold it in between your thumb and your index finger. Money facing skywards. Yes. Okay, there you go. Mazura will assist you up there. Okay, whatever happens, don't move, okay? Sassy, see that young man with the money? Can you go up there? What do you do when you see money, Sassy? Take it and fly back down to me. Don't move, young man. Look where your money goes. Into my pocket. Now you can bring down your hand, smile, and sit down. One more volunteer. Wow. This time $10. I was just kidding. We are doing that for a little bit of fun. Young man, we're going to return the money back to you. But if you'd like to help the animals here in Singapore, do come down at the end of the show and drop in any amount into our conservation fund in this box right here. And in return, Sassy's postcard is yours after the show. And for those of you who cannot come down and up there, you can drop in your contribution up there in the box in the form of a pangolin. And that is also after the show. So, that young man, there you go. Can you stand up? We're going to return the money back to you. We can't keep this money. Ready? This time, open your palm. Once the bird places the money on your palm, grab hold of it. Ready? Sassy, can you return this money? You can't keep it. There you go. Good girl, Sassy. Place the money down, grab hold of the money, young man, and you fly back down to me, Sassy. Thank you for our young volunteer right out there. Well, Sassy has done very well this afternoon. It's time for her to go back home. Home is back to Lane. Thank you, Sassy. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, in a very short moment we are going to have our grand finale. So do not go just yet. Well, I am sure the birds in the show have amazed you and maybe even made you laugh. But please do not forget all the bird conservation champions that you have met today. We can help them by purchasing paper or wood made from recycled materials so that less of their forest homes will be cleared. Well, you and I have the power to choose what we buy. So let's make the right choice and make a difference for them today. Well, looks like we are all set to go. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for our grand finale, we will have more birds right here on stage. So, let's get started. First pair from Africa, our great white pelicans. Second pair from India, our spot-billed pelicans. Now from Eastern Europe, we have 5 Dalmatian pelicans. Come on guys, and here they come. Now back to Africa, birds with their long, sexy legs. Look it up over on your right. Here comes our greater flamingos. Last but not least, the birds from South America, our colorful macaws coming from up there and there. Well, there you have it everyone, our grand finale of birds. A round of applause for them. Thank you. And with that, we have come to the end of the High Flyer show. And the next show in the park is going to be at 4 p.m. Kings of the Sky. It's happening at the Hawk Arena. And a very short moment after we usher these birds back home, we are going to have a photography session with another group of flamingos happening right here on stage. Do stay on for that if you are interested. And for those of you who like souvenirs, we have